Welcome to the first Monday VR recap. I'm shifting my upload schedule to Mondays because it's more convenient for me. So let's just hop right in. But first, let's roll the intro. The first order of business is the HP Reverb G2 Omnicept Edition. HP have recently announced this new headset. This HMD is targeted at an enterprise and development level. The difference between this headset and the regular G2 is the Omnicept has built-in eye and mouth tracking as well as a heartbeat sensor. It will also have an adjustment wheel built into the back of the head strap, much like the Quest 2 Elite strap. Surprisingly, the HP Reverb G2 does not have this, but its head strap is still adjustable. The idea of eye tracking in VR makes me very hopeful that this could come to the consumer market. Eye tracking could open many possibilities for everyday VR usage. I think that while the enterprise market is a good starting point, it would be very successful as a consumer headset. Next for today is the Microsoft Flight Sim Closed Beta. Microsoft have set up a closed beta for testing VR in their flight sim. To participate, you must own Microsoft Flight Sim, have a VR headset, and you must be a registered insider or sign up to be one with the Windows Insider program. You must also sign an NDA as well as meet the minimum specs for your computer. The closed beta is currently in Phase 1, meaning only Windows Mixed Reality headsets are supported, but there will be a Phase 2 with other PC VR headsets. I will leave a link in the description to the Windows Insider program if you'd like to sign up. Next on the list is how you can check your Quest 2 delivery date. Someone on Reddit figured out that you could find your estimated delivery date for your Quest 2 pre-order. Not quite sure how they found this, but as it is quite complicated and obscure, but I'm glad they did. The poster is using Chrome, and the steps are a little different for Firefox, which is what I will be using. I will be blurring the order number as well as other sensitive information. I'll walk through it right now. First, go to your order page. If it's a guest order, you will need to go to the original confirmation email from when you placed your order. The title should be Your Order from Oculus. If you were signed in when you ordered it, just sign into your account and press the profile icon in the top right. Then click Orders and finally on your Quest 2 order. Press F12 to open your developer tools once you're on the order page. Go to the Network tab and refresh the page. Click on XHR. Click the largest GraphQL file and click on Response for Firefox and Preview for Chrome. Expand Data, then Viewer, then User or Guest User, then Payment Account, then Physical Orders, then 0, then Shop Order Items, then Nodes. You should see something that says Estimated Delivery Date with a really long number after it. Copy this number and go to unixtimestamp.com. Paste it in the box and you will see your Quest 2 estimated delivery date. For me, that's October 13th, which means I'll be making my video the following Monday. The last item for today, there will be new Quest 2 homes. Their names are Bubbles, Desert Terrace, and my personal favorite, Yokan Retreat. The video in the background was recorded by Steve Knows. The link to the original video will be in the description as well as links to other sources. We'll start with the home called Bubbles. It's simply lots of bubbles floating around with an orange and purple gradient in the background. It looks quite calming, but there's not much else to say about this one. Moving on to the home called Desert Terrace. I'm not a huge fan of this one, but I can see the appeal. It has large palm trees and huge arcing ceilings. It also has many chairs and couches, as well as fans and a stone-tiled floor. It's very well designed, but it's not really my style. The final home is called Ryokan Retreat. In my opinion, this one looks the best of the three. It's based on traditional Japanese architecture. The room is decorated with tatami mats and shoji walls. It also has an opening to look at other buildings and a quaint pond with lily pads. It's named after a type of traditional Japanese inn called a ryokan. That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, I appreciate constructive criticism in the comments, and a like would be much appreciated. I'll see you all next week. 108 signing off.